my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marilyn, and if you're not new, welcome back. So today I am back with another makeup video, and this time I'm going to be doing the Beaute Flair palette. And I got this palette in my boxy pop-up, and if you guys haven't watched that video, I will link it up here in the cards. And I also got you guys one, so I will be doing a giveaway soon. So anyways, this is what the palette looks like. It has all these beautiful colors, and I can't wait to try them out. So that's what I will be doing today. I'm not sure what look I will create, but I kind of want to use these shadows right here, like the blues or green blues or whatever they're called. So before I begin, I'm going to be priming my eyes with a NYX pigment primer, this one right here. I will be priming my eyes off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I already primed my eyes, and I also set my eyeshadow primer. Okay, so now I'm ready to begin. So I'm going to begin with this Atlantis shade right here, and I'm going to be using the Moda Pro detail brush, this one right here, and I'm going to put it in my crease. This shade is so pretty. Okay, now with a blending brush with no product, I'm just going to try to blend the edges. Okay, now I'm going back into the same shades, the blue-green shade, to intensify the color a little bit more, especially like in here. And going back to blend it out again. Okay, now I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Okay, so far I like this palette. There's like no fallout at all. So now I'm going into Forest Pine, which is like the darker green blue shade right there, and I'm going to put it like in my outer V, just like to deepen up the eye look. And I'm going to be using this Luxie Mini Angled brush. Super pretty shade. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm going to try to do swatches at the end of this video, so if you guys want to watch that, it's going to be at the end. This is a super pretty green. Okay, now I'm going into the shade Sherbet, this one right here, and I'm thinking of putting it like all over my lid, like the rest of it. Hopefully I don't have to do a cut crease because I've never done that, and hopefully it covers this part of the bluish type of look, so we'll see. I'm going to be using the EcoTools brush, this one right here. Well, it looks pigmented on the brush, so hopefully it's pigmented on the lid. Ooh, that's so pretty. Look at that. Okay, so it's not covering the blue-green, so if you guys want to do this look, you guys might have to do a cut crease, but since I don't want to do one because I don't know how to do one, so I'm just applying it over. But it still makes a pretty green, like a dark green. I don't know how to explain it, but it looks pretty. Now I'm going back into the Forest Pine just to blend these two shades together. It looks really pretty. Okay, now I'm going to do the same thing on this eye. Okay, it kind of looks the same. I feel like this eye looks better. I don't know. What do you guys think? Okay, now I'm going to be putting this Saffron shade, this one right here, under my lower lash line. And I'm going to be using the Moda Pro smudge brush, this one right here. Hopefully it looks good because I don't know if these colors go together. This shade is super pretty as well. Okay, now I want to put a shimmer in my eyes. I'm not sure if I should put this blue shimmer right here or this like pinkish shade. Here, I'm going to swatch them really quick. This is a pink shade and this is the blue shade. I think I might put the pink one because it's more like lighter. So I'm going to be using the Biscotti shade, this one right here. And I'm going to put it in my inner corner using this Luxie Mini round brush. That looks really pretty. It like mixed with a green and it made it like a cool color. Okay, so that's what it looks like so far. And so far I really like this palette. There's like no fallout and I really like it. Okay, so now I'm going to go put eyeliner and mascara and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, I am back. I already applied eyeliner and mascara. For eyeliner, I applied the Kat Von D tattoo liner, this one right here. And I messed up, you guys. I was shaking for some weird reason and I got frustrated and I kind of messed up my eye, but you can't really see it with my eyelashes. So yeah, but anyways, you can't really see it unless you really pay attention to it. And for mascara, I use the, where'd you go? I use the Monsieur Big Lancome mascara, this one right here. And it's just a sample size. And well, this is the final look. What do you guys think? I really like how this turned out. It looks super pretty. I love how the blue greens look with this lime green or yellowish greenish shade. And I love that I put the orange on the lower lash line. I feel like it looks super pretty. Let me know what you guys think. So let me know in the comments below if you guys have this eyeshadow palette. Do you guys want it? Do you guys like it? I'm not sure how much this palette normally goes for, but I got it for $9 in Boxy pop-up and I'm really happy that I got it because it's super cute. Okay, so that is all for the eye look. Now I'm going to be swatching this eyeshadow palette. I'm going to start swatching from Saffron to Biscotti and so on and so forth. Okay, so this is Saffron, Mirage, Aubergine, Mulberry, and Biscotti. So that's the first row and they're super pretty. Okay, now I'm going to start with the second row. So this is Cider, Firefly, and Pumpkin. And this is Hazelnut and Acorn. Okay, sorry I swatched Acorn ugly. But it's that brown one. And this is Hazelnut. Okay, now I'm going to swatch on my knuckles. So this is Bayberry, Atlantis, Forest Pine, and this is Moss. And I'm going to put Sherbet right here. So that is all of the swatches for this palette. It is 15 shades and they're all so pretty. So I can't wait to play with this eyeshadow palette again. And maybe next time I'll do a palette bingo with this eyeshadow palette because I'm super excited to play with this. But anyways, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys!
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even